A lemming sits at a corner of a square with side length 10 meters. The lemming runs 6.2 meters along a diagonal towards the opposite corner. It stops, makes a 90-degree turn, and then runs 2 more meters. A scientist measures the shortest distance between the lemming and each side of the square. What is the average of these 4 distances in meters? So let's kind of, draw out this problem a little bit. So we have this lemming at point L, and then it runs 6.2 meters along a diagonal towards the opposite corner. So let's just say it runs here. This is 6.2 meters. It makes a 92-degree turn and then runs 2 more meters. 90-degree turn, runs 2 more meters, and then it stops here. And I guess this is L prime. So if the lemming stops here, well then the scientist measures the distance between, the average of the distance of this distance, and this distance, because they are the shortest distance to each side. So, well, I guess we could technically say this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and be like, okay, this is, I don't know, 4, 0 or something like that, and then just keep on going. But then that's actually pretty complicated. So like assigning coordinates at every single point here. But instead, I'll look at this and be like, hey, if you actually draw this out, it's really obvious that the 4 distances are just the 2 side lengths of the square, right? Because, well, there's no because here, just kind of simple, like no offense, but it's kind of simple. And that means these 2 distances added together are, 10 meters. These 2 distances added together are 10 meters. And then there's 4 distances in total, and you just divide by 4. 10 plus 10 is 20 over 4. And then you get an answer of 5. Now, quick little mental note. Any point in this square would have an average of 5 here. So like if you had a point here, like say you just ran for 6.2 meters and then turned 90 degrees and then went all the way to this corner, like this space, and again, it's still the same problem. 10 plus 10 over 4 equals 20 over 4, 5. So either way, any point in this square would have an average of 5.